Hey, I'm David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today, super excited to show you guys some James Loudspeaker 43 OWs. So these are a custom speaker. You've seen a lot of our videos probably with a bunch of other James speakers. We like James because we can do a lot of different things with those guys, and as far as design, shape, size, color, you name it. So this is another situation where we have a house that the client didn't want to see the speakers so much. They wanted them to blend into the wall. They didn't want them big. They wanted them to fit between shelves. So this was our solution for the front speakers. So these are the 43 OWs, and they have a nice custom finish. We sent the paint codes in from their painter to these guys so they could paint it so it matches exactly. And matter of fact, we have that install starting next week. So you'll stay tuned, watch the video for that, because that'll be pretty cool. We have a lot of new products and neat products going to that house. So you'll see these in action. So on these 43 OWs, you can tell they're very thin, and it's like custom painted, 3.5-inch drivers, 1-inch dome tweeter. And so these are made to be mounted flat on the wall. So you get the wall surface here, get your wiring on the back, so it's going to mount flush against the wall. And to do that, what James did, I don't know if you can see here, put 2 holes, inlet holes, so we can screw in inside the actual, enclosure to the wall. And then we have this nice custom grill that fit over it. And I'll show you this one here. So it's nice, clean, snug fit inside the speaker. So very clean fit and finish. They're going to sound amazing. They're going to blend into the wall, so they're going to serve 2 purposes, obviously. The wow factor for the wife, or someone who didn't like the looks of a speaker. So these are going to be clean, nice looking, mount against the wall, match the wall, so they don't just stick out like a sore thumb. So if you guys got any products coming up, anything custom, James is the one that can get it done, and we can get it here at Great Choice. So stay tuned, watch the videos, and we got a lot of new things coming up with the big installations that we got going. And you guys stay safe and subscribe, like our channel, and see you guys next time.